Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use IBM Cognos for business intelligence, complete guide step by step clearly. First, download and install IBM Cognos on your system or access it via the cloud. Once installed, launch the IBM Cognos application from your desktop or browser. Log in with your credentials to enter the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting key sections like the navigation pane and reporting options. To begin creating a report, navigate to the Reports section in the navigation pane. Click on the New Report button to start a new project. Choose a report type that aligns with your needs, such as a list report or a crosstab report. After selecting the report type, connect to your data source by clicking on the Data menu. Select the appropriate data source from the available options. Once connected, use the query tools to define the data you want to analyze. Drag and drop the necessary data fields into your report layout. Customize your report by adding filters, prompts, and calculations as needed. Utilize formatting options to enhance the visual appeal of your report. Preview your report to ensure it displays the data correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Save your report using a descriptive name to easily identify it later. You can also schedule your report for regular updates if required. To share your report, navigate to the sharing options within the application. Select the method of sharing, such as email, or exporting to PDF or Excel. Confirm the settings before sending or exporting your report. Utilize dashboards for a more visual representation of your data. Create a new dashboard from the Dashboard menu. Drag and drop visualizations and key performance indicators onto your dashboard canvas. Adjust the layout and design to meet your specific requirements. Save your dashboard to ensure your changes are not lost. Regularly review and update your reports and dashboards to maintain data relevance. Leverage the predictive analytics features for deeper insights into your data. Explore user guides and forums for additional tips to maximize your use of IBM Cognos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.